Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're talking about a sixer of the Bounty paper towel for $5.03 over at the Home Depot. If it might have cleared in your area, it is always a year mileage may vary what goes on clearance in your location, but this week a lot of shoppers over on Instagram have been saying that, hey, this exact Bounty has cleared out for $5.03. And you probably guessed what happened at my location. Maybe an employee or a very excited shopper who wasn't me cleared it completely out, and I didn't get a single one. It's been on clearance in my region for $12 for some time. But this bundle of magic, no dice even for me, but I don't really live at the Home Depot. Like, I'm not there every other day. I'm sure if I was like, on the website or the app every 12 seconds, I probably would have tracked it down. But even at $12, they were moving pretty quickly, but I don't know how people would pay $2 per roll. Too much of a Walgreens shopper for that, but a lot of people did buy it for that cost. And that's just the breaks of this. But if you are driving by a store or you are near a store, or you can get on the website and look up this exact product, and I will share the information with you in a quick second. It's very easy to do to see, does your store have this in stock? Yes or no. Either going to go on the Home Depot website, or if you might have the app downloaded, and then see where that arrow is where it says clearance. That's specifically what you're looking at. You're going to press it, and what is the clearance price at this store? It's $15.03. It was doing the same here, but it was actually $12 in store, and I'm assuming that it might be $5.03 in your location. So if you're driving by a store, or you're on your way home from work or on your way to work, you just want to pop in there. I know gas is crazy expensive, so this might be a tall order. If you're driving like 2 hours one way, 2 hours the second way to look for this paper towel, that would be a big no. But if you're driving by, why not? If you're passing through for work or something. This is also ongoing. Save 15 when you spend 75, or save 25 when you spend 100 on P&G products. So if you could track down the big bonanza, possibly maybe you could save extra money. And I'm assuming, I saw a lot of hauls. I think a lot of people were probably buying at least $100, even at $5.03 a pop, which is a crazy price point. I would definitely stock up if you can. Here is the internet number, the model number, and the store SKU. The internet number is what I typed in, and then it would populate even if it wasn't in store in my area. I could still find the information online that it was $5.03 at many locations. Look it up, guys. It costs nothing to look this up. And when you are in store, if it says that there's more in stock, but you just can't find it on the shelf or in the paper aisle, I would definitely look on those top shelves that are called skies. And it's going to be wrapped up in plastic because it's paper towel. It's not going to be in a box. And if you can, that information I just provided you, like that information number, blah, 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 or if you could see 6 equals 15, ask them to take them down, and if they are ringing up for $5.03, I would get a couple. And why not? It's a really great price point, and especially if you like the fancier paper towels. Now, I'm going to let you guys know, when these 140 counters cleared out last spring, they were like $6, and it was like start the car. And for whatever reason, could not find a single one on the floor at my store. About a week and a half, 2 weeks later, in the clearance section, so that aisle that they have the clearance stuff, or it's a shelf, I probably found there's probably like 80 of them. I only bought 6. I thought that would be enough bags for the next couple years for our household, but that's where I found them. So even look in that clearance section. Another item that I found in the clearance section were these 2 cans of these sprayaways that are $1.20. I saw a lot of shoppers haul these. Maybe they found a box, they were clearing them out, and they just put them in the clearance section, or they might have put them at the front. You never know. But this is another item that I would definitely be on the lookout, because it's in a lot of people's hauls this week. Other items that I found really cheap on the website is this Scotch Guard. It is a rug and carpet protector spray. Not sure exactly how that works, but it's usually about $10, 75% off at $2.53. And more carpet stuff. This Rejuvenate for 80 cents, which is a really great price point if you use this. It's for floors. I noticed too, guys, if you get a cart, like say 10 of these, a cashier at the self checkout will come out immediately to you because she probably thinks they're a penny, puts her face in your cart, starts asking you a bunch of weird questions. I don't really like that because if I'm paying 80 cents, like let me pay for my stuff and leave. I'm not always there about the small chit chat, and I don't know if you guys noticed that as well at Home Depot. My husband was there buying some flooring supplies about a week ago, and he told me about that. And he's like, "What is this?" I'm like, "Because people are videoing and getting penny items, and they do not like to lose those penny items. It's not the Dollar General." And yeah, have you guys ever experienced that? Let me know in the comments down below. There's a Dyson stick vacuum, and then they also, I think, have the Shark or the Hoover one between 100 to 150. If they might have started clearing out in your region, could not find any on clearance over here, but maybe look it up in the app, or if you're in the store, moonwalk down that aisle. Good luck, guys. If any of this stuff interests you, at least look it up on the website. I wish you guys good luck. Bye.